back to my channel. It's Nicole. So I actually wasn't planning on doing a video today, but when I woke up this morning I saw it hit 100 subscribers. Thank everybody who has joined me in this journey and have given my channel a chance. And I hope that as the year goes on that I release new and better content for you and that we continue to keep growing. So I figured to celebrate I would make an organization video. I don't know why I always have such issues talking. But anyway, so we're going to organize the top of that. I've been needing to do it for a while, and I promise that I do it like every couple months, but then it still ends up looking like that. So yeah, we're going to do it again. So I hope you guys enjoy this. So this is my current situation. We just kind of throw things that we don't really know what to do with them up here, and it just ends up piling up and looking like this. So we're going to go through and sort this, and I got a box to separate stuff to where it's supposed to go. And in case you guys are wondering why the top of my fridge is a different color than the rest of it, it's because I actually painted it when I first got it, because it's really old and it was like that awful off yellowy white color. So I didn't paint the top black, which I kind of wish I had now. I might still do that in the future, but I made a video about it a little while ago, so if you want to check that out, you can. Okay, we got everything down.
It's not working.
Here's all the junk.
It's not working.
What's not working, Dad?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. See? Hey, you're so cute. You're so cute. Hi. You're so cute. This is some of the stuff that I pulled off the top of the fridge. And then this is the rest of it. Well, except for those things right there. I didn't put those off. But yeah, so now I get to go through this junk and decide what's going to go back up there. For some reason we got like all these freaking like long knives on top of the fridge. I don't know. But they won't be going back up there. And then we'll see. Nice. Yeah, very nice. Anyways, so now we gotta clean the top of the fridge. did put some stuff back up there, but you know, I do need some stuff up there, and we use this every day, which I probably could have cleaned it out, but that's more of like my husband's box than my box, so I try not to mess with it too much because I don't know what he wants to keep in there, but looks so much better. My box of junk, or I should say just my box of stuff to go downstairs, to probably put in either a yard sale or store away, but it doesn't need to be on top of the fridge. It's just causing trouble up there and making everything look like a mess. But now it's nice and organized, and we'll see how many months it stays that way. So while I was recording, this little guy came along and landed on our window. Thought he was pretty cool looking. My daughters loved him, thought he was so pretty, and I just wanted to share it. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you push the like button down below for me. And if you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button either right there or down below. And make sure you click that little bell that pops up too, because that will allow you to know when I post new videos. And I will be having a new one come out either tomorrow evening or Saturday, a new cleaning video for you. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye!